Hello! Been a while since I made an episode of Oriclopedia, mostly because I didn't have really much time and the activity was a bit limited. But today, nice weather, and I finally received this that I was waiting for. There have been a few people pointing out that my channel was a bit lacking of fluff. Like there are all these channels which have these fancy neon sign, like Techmon with a tape thingy, and people with Atari logos. And unfortunately, the Oric, there is not much Oric thing available. So the other day I was looking, trying to find for something cool, and I found an eBay shop which was selling a lot of Atari related things and Tandy, TRS-80 and Apple II and things like that. And I contacted them and I asked, well, are you doing things on request? I said, sure. And so we had discussed on the forum about the difference between the various Oric logos, and that some were having the wrong font, or the spacing was not correct, or well, it was all wrong. Or some people started with a very, very small logos that they blew up or rescaled, which accumulated a lot of errors. But thanks to the Tansoft software, which had a very, very big Oric logo on the back, I was able to find a pretty decent one, and I made a good template. And so the guy said, yeah, no problem. And so there you go, he made a version and sent me some work in progress picture. So let's see what it looks like. Let's see. It's nicely packed. So, this is the first one. That one is made of wood with some foil which has the nice color effect. And of course, it's because I'm also an Atari person. And that one is the one I had on custom order. There you go. So the TD store, so that's where I bought it. So this thing is made of acrylic, which been laser cut with a computer control system. And then the red, white and black is made with some foil. And it's quite nice. Now the question is, what does it look like in my computer shelf? Let's see. So I temporarily installed two logos, one here and there, but that will require a bit of thinking about where to put it, because they are very dependent of the orientation, direction of light. You can see. So ideally you want that in a place where it looks nice. Same thing for the Oric logo, because if it's a bit too dark, then you don't see the red anymore. So that's going to require a bit of thinking. Yeah, so there you go. It took a bit of time to make this video, nothing works. New machine, new PC, new OBS, new VLC, new everything. Well, hopefully the next one will be better, but I'm not going to spend a lot of time editing. See you.